So Rahul Gandhi puts out a bunch of videos saying Ladakhis saying that our land has been grabbed by China. Now the BJP puts out a counter video saying that all of these Ladakhis are actually Congress Karyakartas and Congress workers. So there is an obvious conflict and Rahul Gandhi should have mentioned that. Joining me live now, Nupur Sharma of the BJP, Gaurav Vallabh of the Congress party, who I'd like to go to first. Gaurav, we have limited time, so don't shift goalposts. We are the only channel that has a realistic coverage of where the Chinese are. We are saying that the Chinese are on Indian controlled territory in Pangong. So no rhetoric with me, please. That can only be with other channels. I am clearly asking you, why, are these persons Congress workers, as mentioned in Sambit Patra's tweet?
Shiv, what is the substance of the question? The substance of the question is that whether China has entered into our own...
No, that's not the substance of the question. I'm simply asking, one second. We don't have the time to do this run around, Gaurav. I am simply asking, specific, we'll go to the bigger question once. Please, no, I'm sorry. No, Gaurav. Gaurav, answer my question and then we can zoom out and I'll let you ask the bigger question. I am asking, are these persons Congress workers? I'm genuinely asking, are they Congress workers? Because if they are not, then Sambit Patra is wrong and then we should take him to task. That's why I'm asking you.
Shiv, if in Ladakh, if somebody is a Congress worker or BJP worker, is it going to matter?
It does matter. No, I'll tell you why it matters. I'll tell you why it matters. No. That's not an answer, Gaurav. That's not an answer. Gaurav, you're mistaking. Gaurav, you're mistaking me for some other anchor. You're mistaking me for some other anchor. No, I'm sorry. I want a factual reply. I will give you 5 minutes. I will give you 5 minutes, Gaurav. Gaurav, I'll give you 5 minutes. Can you tell me if those persons are Congress workers? I'm simply asking because otherwise Rahul should have mentioned it. Ladakhis who are part of the Congress party have said China has grabbed my land. I'm asking you this. Remember, I am the journalist who has said that the Chinese have come onto our territory. I am that journalist. I'm asking you that question.
But give me 30 seconds time, Shiv, at least. Please bear with me for 30 seconds. Am I allowed for speaking for 30 seconds?
No, I will stop you if you don't answer my question, Gaurav. With great respect.
30 seconds तो देना पड़ेगा ना शिव भाई, नहीं तो फिर जवाब
बोल दीजिए. No, tell, answer.
What I am saying, whether they are Congressy or BJP worker, that doesn't matter.
No, it does.
Even BJP own the Sabasat from Ladakh, who represent 8 villages, were saying that Chinese had entered. And I am assuming what it is shown is correct. But if a Ladakhi is saying, whether he's a Congressy or BJP, that Chinese
then Rahul Gandhi should have mentioned it in his tweet. There's a conflict of interest. Come on. There's a conflict of interest. That's why I'm saying it. There's a conflict here.
I am asking.
Come on, sir.
Even BJP own Sabasat from Ladakh, Miss Urgen, had categorically mentioned that government is silent. I am sending lot of feeders to central government, but government is not taking any action. Chinese had intruded into our side of LAC.
Don't shift goalposts here. I'm asking about something very specific.
I'm not shifting.
No. I'm asking about something specific.
Clear.
Something specific.
Saying if it is Congressy or BJP, the substance of the question is important.
I'm asking. The reason I'm asking is because on certain other channels which say "Kuch bhi nahi hua," and we lovingly call them the "Kuch nahi hua brigade." All this can happen on channels where they say nothing has happened, or some channels which say, "Oh my God, this is a Mughal invasion." India Today is the only channel that has said in some areas India has fought back, in some areas there is a grave problem. I am telling you on the record here that the Chinese army is sitting on Indian patrol territory in Pangong Tso. I am an independent journalist. India Today is an independent channel that's telling you the truth. I am still asking you, with all the power of my independence, why didn't Rahul Gandhi specifically say these Ladakhis are Congress workers? Because this is like if my daughter tweets something or says something and I tweet saying a little girl has said this, and I completely agree with her without saying that she is my daughter. Doesn't it matter that these people are from the Congress party?
Shiv, if any one person in our country is asking a question to the government, is he going to write?
But if they're all from the Congress party?
I am a Congress sympathizer, I am a Congress office bearer, is they going to write? is any person who is going to vote for BJP, if they are asking some
matters here.
question to
It
government,
matters
are
here.
they going to
It's a
write
matter of
that I am a
information.
BJP supporter,
It's a matter of
BJP
information.
voter, BJP sympathizer?
It is a matter
That
of
doesn't
information.
work. I'm saying whatever it is, Shiv. I am also very clear like you, Shiv. I don't go gumaying type of person.
No, but
I'm
you are, Gaurav,
categorically
unfortunately.
saying that
Unfortunately.
whatever be the person, the substance of the question is important. Government should focus on the substance of the question, not on the form of the
The
question.
substance of the question, I think, has been in many ways answered in terms of the message that's been sent out today. And I was hoping that once the Prime Minister finishes this visit, there will be no more tutu meme. There will be only one voice against China because we face actual conflict. Nupur, I haven't got an answer from Gaurav, but I'm assuming that is a validation of what the BJP has said, that these persons are Congress workers. To me, that's a conflict of interest. It's very straight. This is not about BJP or Congress for me.
No, the question isn't whether a Ladakhi or an Indian is a Congress person. The question is, why is it every person who's undermining our forces, who is undermining any action or any sacrifices made by our Jawans, and doubting continuously their valor, doubting continuously the decisions taken by the Union Government of India? Why is it always all those people who are questioning are always congressmen? That's the question. Question isn't whether any Indian or any Ladakhi can join the Congress. Why is it always a Congress person always undermining India, showing it down before China? That's the moot question. You're absolutely right, Shiv. And for that matter, please, Mr. Gaurav Vallabh, one of your councillors from Ladakh was also asking for 1,000 pieces of Ladakh. आप उस पर भी बता दो, आपके ही लोग ऐसी बातें करते हैं आके, आपको तो balkanization secession में बड़ा मजा आता है. Here is today, even naysayers across the country are standing behind the Union Government, behind Modi ji's decision to go there, to boost the morale of our Jawans, to look after them, to tell them that we are prepared, to tell them that this over 1 billion people country of India is right behind them, shoulder to shoulder. They don't need to worry.
Yeah.
And I think the reaction of China is more than a proof as to what kind of a message has been sent. So I don't understand what the problem is. Is it because the upwards of 90 lakh rupees
Coming to you,
of
Gaurav, let her
donation into
finish.
Rajiv Gandhi Foundation from the Chinese government has to be justified? Is
Let's
it
leave all
because,
that out. Let's leave all that out, Nupur. Stay on topic.
The noodles that were being eaten while Indian Jawans were doing a face-off at Doklam, those noodles which were had at the Chinese envoy's residence by Rahul
Let's stay on
Gandhi,
topic.
those have
Let's
to be
stay on topic.
yet. I'm
Okay.
staying on the topic.
I will
My
ask.
question
I
is
will ask
simple.
another specific
Why are
question.
all those people undermining India and its valor always congressmen?
So Gaurav, you can choose to answer that question, but I have a specific question. Take my question because I'm the anchor here. My question is very simple. My question now is, after the Prime Minister had the all-party meeting, then he's gone now and met the troops and sent out a message. Rahul Gandhi puts out this tweet. Let's put the Ladakhi issue aside for a moment because you've chosen not to answer it. Let's go to this next topic. Your wish is my command. I have zoomed out a little bit. Doesn't it send out a message to every Indian, Nupur and Gaurav, to you Gaurav first, that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress are completely alone in this questioning that's happening? Every other opposition party has, put its weight behind the government, behind the Prime Minister, because this is not a political issue. This is about Indian national security. And while you are right to raise questions about territory, sovereignty, asking for answers, doesn't it look bad that you are all alone in asking these questions?
See, lot of Indians are asking, Shiv. Even BJP MP and President of Arunachal unit was saying that China had entered into Arunachal on record.
But that's wrong.
Giving
You know that, right?
interview to the Assamese
I hope you know that's
channel.
wrong.
Then
Anyway.
Miss Urgen, who represent BJP in Ladakh, she represent 8 border villages. She had categorically pointed out that the Chinese troops had entered into our side of LAC. And Shiv, I am asking, you are very clear, the journalist, and I respect you. You mentioned that on our side of LAC in Pangong Tso Lake, the Chinese troops had entered. Are you reducing the morale of our army? I am asking you because she is blaming you that people like you are reducing the morale of Indian
No, one
army.
second. There's a
Are
difference.
you reducing the
There's a
morale
difference.
of Indian
There's actually a
army
difference.
by asking a right question?
I am saying, what we are doing is we are showing the factual position, but we are facing a certain adversary. It's a dynamic situation. This thing has never happened in 45
I
years.
agree, Shiv.
And it seems
I
that
agree, Shiv.
the
But
Congress,
why,
is
Shiv?
being juvenile by seeing this as an
Shiv,
opportunity to
Shiv,
score brownie
Shiv.
points when this is about India's national security.
Shiv, why Prime Minister is not taking the name of China?
Why does he need to take the name of China? I don't want to defend the Prime Minister. I'm not from the BJP. Why does he need to take the name of China? It's a clear message to them.
Prime Minister is not making the name of
For
China.
God's sake,
What is the reason
Gaurav.
of
Okay,
that?
no, I'll
It is
let
a
Nupur answer.
diplomatic idea.
I'm not here to defend the Prime
You
Minister.
know, this is.
Yeah, Nupur,
I
you can
feel
answer.
like I've come back to nursery KG class wherein I think actions speak louder than words.
The Prime Minister was in Ladakh and you're saying, why is he not naming China? That's silly.
वो LOC और सियाचे या पठानकोट नहीं गए, वो LAC पे गए हैं. अगर आपको ज्योग्राफी में दिक्कत है और आपको जगह का नाम जानना है, मिस्टर गौरव वल्लभ,
Ma'am, that country will laugh on you.
बोलिए.
Don't make yourself as
Mr.
a
Gaurav
laughing
Vallabh.
stock. It is not LSE,
I'm sorry, you are
madam.
becoming a
It is
laughing
not
stock.
LSE. Please
You are
clear your
becoming a
doubts.
laughing stock.
Shiv, please tell him.
I think.
One
Shiv,
second,
please
one
tell
second.
him.
Let her finish. If there's time, I'll get you another moment.
Has he understood what I'm saying or not? Does he even know where the Prime Minister went
Shiv,
today?
please let
Is it a
her know.
portion of LOC or LAC?
Whether
No,
today
please
Prime
ask.
Minister
Does
went
he
to
know?
LSE
Can
or
he
not,
please
Shiv?
tell me?
The country wants to know. Please
Batana.
clarify her.
Please
Clarify,
Batana.
Shiv.
Okay.
I request you,
Okay.
I respect you. Please
Did he
clarify
go-
her.
did he
She
go-
No, I
doesn't
will.
know
All
the basics.
clarifications only happen here on India Today. I will.
The
Is
BJP.
he treating the people on the front or not? Front क्या inside of India आ जाएगा? किसको
अरे
बेवकूफ
ये
समझ रहे हो
front
आप?
नहीं है,
I'll tell you one
madam.
thing.
थोड़ा तो दिमाग लगा के
Okay,
बात
I'm
करो.
completely out of time.
This is not front.
I
This is
thought the
250
Jawans
kilometers
were
from front. You are
in
not
Rahul
having
Gandhi.
iota of
Rahul
idea
Gandhi
what the
you are
military
trying to say
operations
that
are and what is the
those soldiers
geography.
25
You
Okay,
came
Gaurav
here
and
just
Nupur,
to
Gaurav
say-
and Nupur.
Are not on the front?
I-
Is that what you're saying? That's
No.
how uneducated you are?
It's an operational
Those people
area.
are having a picnic there.
I will,
What kind of
let me jump in here. Let me jump in
the
here.
basics of military
I'm completely out of time. I'm completely out of time. Let me have the last word. Let me have the last word. Let me have the last
God
word.
save
The Prime Minister, the Prime Minister was in an operational area now, and people are saying, why didn't he mention China? He met with troops in Nimmu. Why didn't he mention China? Why isn't he answering questions? The message has gone to all sides. A former corps commander from Ladakh has said, I hope that after this visit, there is only one voice that China can hear from India, not multiple voices. We may be a vibrant democracy and questions must always be asked, but now there has to be one voice because this is an enemy that has to be treated with absolute focus, determination and unity. Let's see if that continues. For now, it doesn't look like it. Nupur, Gaurav, always a pleasure. Thank you very much for being with me here on 5 Live. Keep watching India Today. That's a wrap on 5 Live.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.